I investigated about this, and now I'm gonna to inspect the same situation with the most well-known brand in the world right now, one of the luxury shops. I'm going to present you some interesting fact about my biography. I'm in the biggest shopping mall. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since the war broken down, we have been listening a lot of declares from multiple companies that they are decided to want out from Russia, and now I'm gonna to inspect some of these companies and check is they really go out or not. Okay, let's go.
Just ignore me, baby, don't you get enough? How many rhymes did I spend to show you genuine of my love? Don't you get enough? Baby, stop ignoring me, please, in every little time. Genuineness of love is all I wanna show you, right and sentimental.
And the first company, it will be IKEA, right? And now I'm gonna to go to the entrance, right? And I don't know what happened right now. Okay, I'm on the entrance, and the entrance is closed, right? Unfortunately, I can't went into. Okay, maybe they open from this place. No.
And free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but when I call you, never seem to.
As you can see, the IKEA closed from all of the entrance, and I couldn't, enter to this shop because of it's closed, right? Let's check another shops. Okay, I'm in the biggest shopping mall in Ufa, and I'm continuing to check some magazines, and today will be the second magazine will be Zara, and it is closed, right? Dear customers, the shop Zara temporarily closed. The same situation with Zara Home. This is, I think, another branches of this type of shops, right? Okay, let's go to the next shop. Okay, the next type of shops what I wanted to present you, this is a Bershka. I don't know how it's called in English, right? This is the same situation with Zara and IKEA. They are closed several times, several months ago, and haven't opened yet. The shop Pull and Beer closed as well, right? Pull and Beer and Adidas, another kind of shops closed as well. Dear customers, we suspend our work in our shops, sites, and apps till the next notification. Shops Mango closed as well, and one of the luxury shops, Massimo Duty, are closed as well. Our shops are temporarily closed. And the same situation with the shops of Stradivarius. Look, all of these shops right now are closed. Okay, all of these shops are closed right now, and they keeps their words for they closed. Okay, I'm a little bit hungry, and I decided to take a bite. And you know, I think the most well-known brand in the world right now, this is a McDonald's, right? And we heard that a lot of declares from this company that it's wanted to escape from Russia, give up their business here, and went from Russia. But as you can see, all of these companies work right now, and I'm gonna to take the water here. Так, дайте мне тогда макчикен.
Обычный острый.
Обычный. Картошку фри.
Среднюю большую.
Среднюю. Сырный соус, а точнее барбекю давайте. As you can see, I've taken the water from the McDonald's here, and I don't know why, but they are still working. And I a little bit later investigate why they still work. But now I'm going to present you some interesting fact about my biography. Several years ago, about 10 years ago, I worked in this company in McDonald's, and now I would like to present you a unique opportunity about my biography that I'm working with some videos from this place while I'm eating the meal. Please enjoy this video. Все, окей, пацан, давай. Раз, два, три. А ты пробежал. Кто еще хочет? Опа! По сторонам.
Вы должны...
Давай, Булка!
Давай!
Все, давай, все, я ловлю.
Это нечестно было!
Okay, I investigated about this kind of question about why is McDonald's working right now, and I asked my former colleagues from McDonald's about this issue, and she told me that they just changed the owner and they will continue on working in Russia. They don't want to quit from Russia. Okay, thank you for watching me. Please leave the comment below in my video, and I'm curious about what do you think about all of these companies, their action, about McDonald's, what decided to stay Russia regardless of the circumstances. Thank you and goodbye.
Воскресенье, на работу мне пора. Здесь сегодня твои лучшие друзья. На подарки, мать и ругань, звонкий смех. Сегодня праздник, сегодня праздник для всех. Как подносы, мой бомбасик на руке. Так усталая, но трудно боль держать в себе. Вокруг все шьются, каждый ходит и орет. На брейк никто не пойдет. Ты натираешь подносы, идешь по прилавок, чтобы только вечер не сходить на винтажку. Этот вечер